Hello guys, my name is Arzan Akhtar and you are watching my channel Learn with Arzan. So as you all know that today is Sunday, so we will definitely working with French. So let's go to the board. So before we start this video, let me tell about you that what is French. French is a language spoken in France. So what is France? France is a country in Europe. French is also spoken in many countries, for example, Canada, Switzerland, etc. So, before learning French, let us first explore France. France, it is also called hexagon because of its shape. You can also go through Google to find out a perfect shape of France on the map. Its capital is Paris. Paris is pronounced Paris in French. Let's then explore a little bit about Paris. Paris is also called City of Lights. City of Lights. Paris is also called La Ville L'Humour. La Ville L'Humour means City of Lights in French. So friends, enjoying the class till now? Let's explore something more. So we learned about lexicon. Lexicon means hexagon. In French we called it lexicon. So now move on to another topic, that is le drapeau. Le drapeau means the flag. The flag of the flag of France is of three colors: blanc, blanc, rouge. So let me translate these. Blanc means blue, blanc means white, and rouge means red. Le Fête Nationale. Le Fête Nationale, as in India, we have Republic Day. Like that only, in France, the Republic Day is known as Le Fête Nationale. As in India, in Hindi language, the Republic Day is known as Ganatantra Divas. And in French, the Republic Day is known as Le Fête Nationale. And it is held on 14th July. That is called Le 14 Juillet. 14 is 14th and July is Juillet. You can see Juillet, July. Now we are Indians and we also have a currency, and that currency is rupees. So like that only, the French people also have a currency, and that currency is called, national currency of France is la euro. La euro is the currency of France, as Indians have rupees as their national currency. Like that, the French people have la euro as their national currency. Now our next topic is Le France qu'on peut. The meaning of Le France qu'on peut is, the France is famous for, le fromage, cheese. As in India, we all eat cheese. Cheese is very famous in France, and cheese is called fromage in French. So the second thing is, I don't want to talk about that, but Dentsu it's famous, so that I have to give it in this video. Le vin, wine. France is a huge producer of wines, as the sour grapes, raisins are in a lot of variety. So the France is very famous for its wine. The next is Le Parfum. France is very famous for its perfume because it has lots of varieties of perfumes. Le Chanel, Le Dior. My favorite is Le Dior, and yours? And the last is Le Pain. So, as in India, as an Indian, we all eat chapatis and rotis, but in France, the people eat bread, and their famous bread is baguette. You can go to Google and search baguette. It's very long bread, and the people eat it. So campers, for today only this much. Hope you all like the video. If you all like the video, smash that like button and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to put on the notification bell to get my videos updated earlier. Bye bye, be safe, be secure. Awa.